check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that, but we're just going after the front end. Back to that 10mm socket, and I'm looking for my needle nose pliers here. This is our hood release cable and hood release latch. These little hood release clips are notorious for breaking and getting brittle just because of the location along the firewall, so be careful kind of as you're pulling them. While I got the needle nose pliers, I'll get the cable free from the radiator T-brace. So then there's that hood release cable sitting here, and again these needle nose I got sitting right here is going to pop that cable free just nice. And then get it out of there. More of these clips, save these, not something you can buy at AutoZone.